Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review DropFit. DropFit is promoted as a modern alternative to traditional gyms, offering private workout pods designed for a distraction-free and comfortable exercise experience. The pods include AI-guided workouts, real-time feedback on form, and personalized suggestions, make them appealing for beginners and those wanting a more private fitness routine. The company also offers AI-enhanced yoga and Pilates sessions, allowing members to receive based on previous workouts all within their own pod. This creates a high-tech, customized experience that traditional gyms usually don't provide. However, the concept relies on in-person pod usage and there are limited independent reviews available. Claims about AI perfectly correcting form or offering personal guide may not always match reality. Overall, DropFit seems like an innovative and convenient fitness option, but the lack of verified feedback means users should manage expectations. It may not work well for some, while others could be disappointed if experience doesn't match the marketing. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.